Hello, and welcome to our presentation on the speed of waves. In this presentation, we're going to explore how different types of waves, such as light waves and sound waves, travel at different speeds through different materials. A wave is a disturbance that travels through a medium, such as air, water, or a solid. Waves are classified into two types, mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves require a medium to travel. Water and sound waves are an example of a mechanical wave. They travel through air, water, and solid. Electromagnetic waves do not require a medium to travel through. They can travel through a vacuum such as outer space. Light waves are a good example of an electromagnetic wave. The speed of a wave depends on the properties of the medium it is traveling through. In general, waves travel faster through denser materials. For example, sound waves travel faster through water than through air. The speed of sound in air is about 343 meters per second. This means it takes about 3 seconds for sound to travel 1 kilometer in air. The speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second. This means it takes about 8 minutes for light from the sun to reach the earth. The speed of waves can also vary depending upon the temperature and pressure of the material. For example, sound waves travel faster in warm air than in cold air. The speed of waves is an important factor in many different fields of science and technology. For example, engineers use the speed of sound to design aircrafts and other vehicles. Scientists use the speed of light to study the universe. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the speed of waves. Thank you for watching.